wondering how to open and close your Mamazing Air Lux stroller, this is how. By the way, it's extremely light. I can literally bench it, if that's what it's called. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're going to want to hold this open. It's very easy. This is where the baby sits. You can put this all the way down, by the way, and all the way up. You're gonna wanna put it all the way up. Then there's this little tab right here. You're gonna hold it down, and then it literally just does it for you. And that's it. You can literally, like, just carry this everywhere you go. I'm 5'1", 120 pounds, and I do not work out or anything, and it's extremely light for me. Now, if you wanna open it back up, it's the exact same thing. Hold this, and then it just opens it by itself. You're just gonna have to click that little tab to open the stroller back up. Super easy. And then, right now it's in parent face, but there's 2 tabs here and here. If you wanna forward face them, you're gonna put those 2 tabs down and just lift right up. Now, and it's very easy, you're just gonna clip them back into these little circles right here. So circle to circle, 1 and 2. And that's it.